Hi guys, welcome back. Let's get the ball rolling. Lesson 62. What is the matter with them? What must they do? Biz qaranglar bolalar, 61-darsning davom bo'lgan 62-darsga bir diqqat qilay. Avval ham yangi so'zlardan bir tanishib chiqsak. Birinchisi nima ekan? Headache. Okay, headache. Qarasak, ma head deganimiz nima dersanglar? Bosh. Shunami? Adamning beshi. Ache deganimiz ham nima shari? ARP A o'qib oldik endi. Mana EA degani deb o'qilsa, mana nima dersanglar? Ache. Demak, headache. Headache deganimiz va bosh og'riqi. Hamsi mening beshim og'riyapti bo'lsa, I have a headache. I have a headache. And uning beshi og'riyapti, u qiz ekan, what's the matter with her? You know, she has a headache. Uningki beshi og'rib qolibdi, shunami? And next one is aspirin. Aspirin. Okay, ma ARP endi ma o'qib oladi. Aspirin. Okay, aspirin degan gap, demak bosh og'rib qolsa aspirin yesa debdi. Yaxshi bo'lib qoldi-ku. Aspirin. Okay, aspirin. Okay, next one is earache. And ma ear deganimiz quloq, ma ache deganimiz og'riq. Ham demak quloq og'riqi degan gap bo'ldi, shunami? Endi ma head degan bosh, headache bo'lsa bosh og'riqi. Earache bo'lsa nima? Quloq og'riqi. Demak, she has an earache. Uningki quloq og'rib qoldi degan gap. She has an earache. What must she do? You know, she must see a doctor. O cho'qim bir doktorxonaga, doktorga ko'rinish kerak. She must see a doctor. What about next? Toothache. Toothache. And the boch og'riqi degan gap bo'ldi, toothache. Okay, I'm a tooth degan tish, ache deganimiz og'riq. Tish og'riqi. You know, she has a toothache. She has a toothache. Okay, what must she do? She must see a dentist. Okay, dentist. Dentist deganimiz nima? Bu tish doktori. Dentist, doctor degancha. Doktor. Okay, next one, stomach ache. Stomach ache. And nima stomach degan oshqozon, ache deganimiz nima? Og'riq. Stomach ache degan oshqozon og'riqi. Demak, he has a stomach ache. Uningki oshqozon og'rib qolibdi. He has a stomach ache. So what must he do? What must he do? Nima qilsa? He must see a doctor. Yoki he must take some medicine. Okay, medicine degan nima ekan? Dori. Medicine deganimiz nima? Take some medicine. Okay, next what is temperature? Temperature. Okay, and the temperature degan birga temperatura. Shunami? Temperatura. Masalan, the highest temperature, lowest temperature, yuqori temperatura deymiz-ku. Uni nisbatan nima desam, qizib qilish. Masalan, she has a temperature. U qanaqa qildi? Qizitib qoldi. Demakchi, qizitma so'rlab ketdi. Temperatura so'rlab ketdi. Shunami? Okay, flu deganimiz-ku, taqlashdan zuqam. Ana a cold deganimiz bir odatdagi biz zuqam bo'lsa, flu bo'lsa, ig'ra ma'o. Bu tarqalashdan zuqam. Bu virus keltirib chiqargan. Agar zuqam deymiz sanla, flu deymiz, Flu. Masalan, he has flu. Temperature. All right, next one, measles. Okay, measles. Okay, measles deganimiz nima? Shu oqanam chiqib qolish, badaning qizil chiqish, ko'ra olmam. Intayin qo'rqinchliqa. Measles. I have measles and mumps. Mumps, shu bo'g'iz shib qilish, shu bo'yan shu harika quloq osti bezininkichu, shu harika kirilgan go'shalni deymiz. Mumps deymiz. Measles and the nima? Mumps, shu bo'g'izniki qanday shib qilishi. Demak, hamda bu kasallarning turli ekan. Hamsa meningki playtime. Hamsa bir jumla qurash o'yna boqaylik bolalar. Have yoki has a headache. Okay. Agarda ham 3-shaxs birlik bo'lsa nima? He has a headache. Okay. Agar ko'plik o'qilsa, they have a headache degandek. I have a headache. So, hey, what is the matter with you? I have a headache. What must you do? I must take an aspirin. Bir aspirin yeyishim kerak. What's the matter with him? He has a headache. What must he do? He must take an aspirin. So, what's the matter with her? She has an earache. What must she do? She must see a doctor. She must see a doctor, right? 조금 doktor ko'rinish kerak. What is the matter with him? He has a toothache. What must he do? He must see a doctor, dentist. He must see a dentist. What about him? What is the matter with him? He has a stomach ache. So he must take some medicine. Okay, 조금 도리이시 kerak. Okay, what's the matter with her? She has a temperature, so she must go to bed. 조금 карабат етиш kerak, right? So what is the matter with him? Okay, he has a flu, so he must stay in bed. Okay, what's the matter with him? He has a measles, so he must call the doctor. Endi miyari mag'ariblik bilan Jungoning bir farqini bilsang, chet elda endi ko'pincha xalqningki shaxsiy doktor bo'ladi, shaxsiy advokat bo'ladi. Ular mesela og'rib qolsa, doktorlarni uyiga chaqirdi, shundaymi? Lekin endi we need to go to hospital, right? Endi bu biz doktorni uyimizga chaqirdigan ayt oz, shundaymi? Faqat shu baylar ham qiladi. Ko'pincha ahvolda go to hospital qilamiz, doktorxonaga boramiz, lekin ular nima? Call the doctor. Doktorga telefon qilgan gap. So what is the matter with her? She has a headache. Okay, he's crazy. What must he do? She must take an aspirin. Aspirin Okay. And the written exercise, mesela sizlarning kitoblaringning oxiridan bor, qaranglar. Buning igisini nimaga o'zgartirganmi desanglar, igisini he'ga o'zgartirganmiz. Masalan, I have a headache bo'lsa, uchinchi shaxs birlik bo'ldi, shunami? He has a headache. Buning nima keldi? Has keldi. Qag'alarni o'zgartirib qo'yganlar, balla I have a cold. Igis he bo'lsa, he has a cold. Get. He has a cold. I feel ill. Men og'rib qoldim. Hamsa u og'rib qoldi bo'lsa, he feels ill. And asosli feel bo'lib qolsa, uning keyinigini nima qatamiz? As qatamiz. He feels ill. I don't like doctor. Mening doktor bilan xo'sham yo'q. And the u xo'sh yo'q. He doesn't like doctor. He doesn't like doctor. Masalan, endi mana B'ga qaranglar. Dave headache, earache, call the doctor. And the headache, earache. And the headache emas ekan shundami? Earache bo'lib qolibdi. So, what is the matter with Dave? Does he have a headache? No, he doesn't have a headache. He has an earache. What must he do? So, he must call the doctor. Cho'qim doktorni chaqirish kerak yoki doktorga ko'rinish kerak, shunami? We must call the doctor. And Jane mumps toothache. See a dentist. Right? What is the matter with Jane? Or Jane g'nim bo'ldi? Jane g'nim bo'ldi desanglar. Does she have a mumps? No. She doesn't have a mumps. She has toothache. So she must see a dentist. Cho'qim bir tish doktorxona qilish kerak. Ko'rinish kerak. Demak, endi mushlarniki do'rab savollash, sizlar qog'ozlarni bir tafsili ishlab baqsanglar, tushunmagan yeringlar bo'lsa, bizningki undalar salonni qetib olib, o'sha g'oyibiz yoki turbat va yoki abdetalar qilib so'rasanglar bo'ladi. Bugungi darsimiz mushagich bo'lsin. Topshiriq so'zliklarni 10 qatim yozish, undan keyin shu 61-darsning tekstini yodlanglar. Ko'p takrar qilinglar. Jiq o'qib turinglar. Kunda 20 soatdan 1 soatgacha shu xulqinlardan shunday anglash yurjiti bo'lsin, demakchi tanishuvchi bo'lsin. Tafsili anglab qilib bersanglar, menimcha sizlarniki o'rganishinglarda intayin zo'r muvaffaqiyatlar, unumlarni qo'lga keltira olasizlar. All right, that's all for today and see you next time. Goodbye.